So it's our second day, Castaway Cay, and it looks like the weather's going to be a lot better. This is the view from our room before we head out. Let's hope we can keep this sunny weather.
We are at Castaway Cay with much better weather. We've got our floats. We're gonna go do stingrays later today. We're gonna go float out, see how far out we can go. So we are gonna see if we can't float out to that shipwreck that's out there. Get above all this seaweed. I think Bailey and I are gonna have to share. So we floated out to the lifeguard station. There's like a piece of a ship sticking out. So we wanted to see what that was all about. You can't get to it on the rafts. You can only snorkel to it. But I'm gonna stick the GoPro in the water and see what's under here. Here we go. I won't be able to know what we saw, if anything, until I check the video. But hopefully it was a piece of a ship. Let's go see what else we can find. So we abandoned the kids and headed over to the adult side for lunch. We just finished up lunch. Now we're working on ice cream here. That was the menu. So now we're gonna go head to the beach, see what we can find out. So this is the adults only beach, Serenity Bay. No kids allowed. Let's go see what it's all about. Way, way, way less chaotic than the other beach. Nice, beautiful day out here on Serenity Bay. There is a ton of little tiny fish in the water. It's just all little fish. Let's go take a look. So, nice quiet beach. Very shallow water, very warm. I can see where this is the relaxing beach. We'll go wade out, see how far it is. Everything's so beautiful, so clear. So we spent a few minutes out here just kind of relaxing and just wading out. And I'm going to tell you, this Serenity Bay beach, it's probably one of the nicest beaches that we've ever been to of all the Caribbean locations. It's not crowded. It's very shallow. It's just relaxing. could literally come here and hang out all day and the time would just pass. It is an absolutely beautiful beach. And considering the only way you can get here is to go on a Disney cruise, and you have to not have kids, which is rare, this could be one of the hardest beaches to get to qualify to get to. So with the barrier of entry being a Disney cruise, and then you have to have no kids to be here. But it is just absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. I think the great thing about it is you don't have to be here all day. You could, and even if you just get an hour break from the kids like we did, just to, you know, come eat lunch, hang out, get some adult time. We're gonna go pick the kids back up, go bike riding, then we got a Stingray adventure. So I mean, we still got a lot of time left, but man, it's great to come out here. Yeah, this is the way to go. So before we go pick up the kids, we're gonna hang out here at this little bar. Ashley went to go get her something to drink. Then we're gonna enjoy the view before it's back to the chaos. So we are back for day 2 of bike riding on Castaway Cay. We've got much better weather this time. We may go back to the tower and get some more pictures from the first time, but it's just Elise and I right now. We are going to, there's another bike trail, and I'm going to take Elise to it and see what it can see what we can find that's different from day 1. So let's go find a new bike trail. Here we go. Go all the way to the end. All the way to the end. She said she wanted to go fast. Don't go too fast. You'll fall and you'll hurt yourself. So there's supposed to be a bike path by the beach at the end of this runway. Let's go see what's down here. Hey, Serenity Bay, no kids. Better keep up. All right, this is a new bike trail. Cabanas. So this is how you would get to your cabanas if you had rented some cabanas on Serenity Bay. I have no idea where this trail goes. So there's a water stop. She's gonna stop for water. 3 hours later. All right, let's see what the big payoff is. And it better be huge. I don't know how far we went, but it was pretty far. Yeah. It's all the way back there. I mean, that's the tower. So that is the tower that we were at the other day. We're way past that. Yeah. All right. Water. Yeah, get some water. Looks like there's a little... Get the water off of my bike. So here we go. Wow. Okay, maybe it was worth it. Maybe it was worth it. This is a pretty good view. That is the Serenity Bay beach, the adults only beach. So if we ride all this way down here, we got to get the selfie, right?
We gotta get to the
Yeah, look at all those rocks.
Look at all those rocks.
I know.
2, 3, smile.
Okay, it's our turn for the Stingrays.
I got new water shoes.
You got new water shoes. We're at Castaway Cay, Stingray Adventure.
Got it.
Oh, she got her some new water
And
shoes.
the Minnie light up. And I got squares.
Square.
For me, my precious son.
Well, Elise and I are back from that huge bike ride, so we are exhausted. Let's go.
We went shopping.
Yeah, and you went shopping. Yeah, that figures. You got a coconut?
Yep, a chocolate smoothie and a coconut.
All right, well, that sounds like a perfect entrance to go see the Stingrays. Oh, look at that.
That's our cruise ship.
That is our cruise ship, Bailey.
That is a great picture.
That is a great picture.
I had to figure out earlier how to figure out the whatever.
Yeah.
Alright,
All right, girls, go stand up there. I'll get a picture of you in front of the cruise ship. And 1, 2. Look at me, Elise. Yeah, there you go. Big smile. All right, let's get a family selfie in front of the cruise ship, okay? All right, you ready? This will be a great one.
Alright, let's go.
All right, turn around, Elise. Yay! Family selfie. Castaway Cay, Stingray Adventure. Oh, there it is. That is Castaway Cay. All right, we're gonna go check in and then we'll get ready for our Stingrays. And Stingrays were canceled because it's too windy. It wasn't safe. No Stingrays. Oh well. What are you gonna do?
Be sure to keep lotion on your skin and keep drinking plenty of water. As a courtesy, if you have sand on your feet, please rinse them in the shower at the Ravel Plaza before boarding the ship. Please stay seated until the tram comes to a complete stop. We hope your trip to Disney's Castaway Cay has
Chocolate
been magical.
smoothie and a
Bye
coconut.
for now and enjoy the rest of the cruise. And as Mickey says, we hope to see you real soon.
Wouldn't have mattered. You still had a great day.
Yeah. Okay, it's pirate night. Where are my pirates at? Do I have a pirate here? Oh, I think we're about to go meet a very famous pirate.
Yeah, we need to get you one now, Captain. Or we can just hire me.
All right, girls, take a picture. Over there. So, all right, we just got finished. The best pirate of them all, right? Captain Hook. Captain Hook. So now we're gonna go see if we can get in line to meet Pirate Mickey. What do you see? There's Peter Pan.
Can we get a picture with him?
Oh no, baby. We can try and catch him another night.
Yeah, it's hard to get all of them.
I know.
But he's only
We're about to do
night.
Pirate Mickey.
But he's only. But Peter Pan's only on pirate night.
No, he's not. We'll get him. All right. So I stood in line for Mickey, which turned out to be Stitch, and now I'm back in line for Mickey. And the girls are down there meeting Minnie. Mommy's gonna get in there with him. Yay, they met Mickey. Minnie, not Mickey. Just me. The kids went down to go see Minnie.
That's okay.
It's already recording.
Awesome. All right, so here we are as the alien 626 interacts with the guy. Ears like his?
Oh, ears like yours. Okay.
Those are cool.
Okay, we'll go with that. I got Stitch ears.
One more. Awesome. There you go.
Thank you. Bye-bye, Castaway Cay. Sailing away. Bye-bye.
Oh, there we go. Oh, it looks like you folks are hooked on the pirate's life. Oh. All right, right up here, guys. Cheese. And right over here.
Me timbers and suck me barnacles. Hey, that sounds like my last spa treatment. Looky here who's still upright after a day filled to the gills with pirate festivities. If you had yourself a whale of a day, let me hear you shout, aye! Aye, me too. If you didn't meet me before, where were ya? We were waiting for ya! And you should have heard what we were saying about you too. Not pretty. Stand fast, you swabs, and prepare to be boarded! All hands, secure the ship! Get ready! Now that we be in possession of this here vessel, we want what was taken from us. The Golden Gold! blast. The gauntlet is magic. It can make fire in the sky. Enough! Turn Sparrow over to us. Or we'll send the lot of you to Davy Jones. Now tell us, where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
Yes, where is he? I'm sorry, who are we looking for?
Jack Sparrow!
There should be a captain in there somewhere. There! Kindly unhand me shipmates. Or shall I send you Davy Jones?
Ah, so they are your shipmates.
I think so. I can't do this all by me onesie. Savvy! So you are my shipmates. Are you not? There you have it. Me shipmates.
Very well. Then they shall share your fate!
Oops. Sorry.
Fire!
Did everyone see that? Because I'm not, we're doing it again.
I'll use that rope to hang him! First get the gauntlet. Deal!